Hey my honeys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all doing well. Today's video is sponsored by Gorgius Hair, so thank you so much for sponsoring this video and thank you guys for tuning in. The name of this wig is Bouncy Shaggy Bang Wig and it is a 14-inch, and these are some of the goodies that the wig came with. The density of this hair is 180 and it has a natural color. It is super full with no short hair inside and it is 99 close to natural hair. This hair is good for creating videos and also for challenges. This is a ready to go type of wig. You can wear this wig like literally put it on and you are ready to go. Fun fact about this wig is that you don't need glue to install it. You also don't need to make any baby hairs, which means you can just throw it on and you're ready to go. Now, isn't that just the installation we need? Easy peasy and ready to go. Over here I'm going in with the water. I've mixed the water with conditioner. The conditioner is by Tresemme, so you can also add mousse, but I'm just adding water. This is used to define your curls. This is the first look, you guys. This is a wet look and I'm about to show you the second look, how you can also style it. So this is the second look, you guys, where I air dry the hair outside. I'm also going in with my comb to open the hair and make it more fuller. You guys should let me know which one do you think suits me more and which one suits me better. For those of you who would like to purchase the wig, I will definitely leave the link in my description box down below. So thank you so much guys for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, comment and also subscribe. Also, please don't forget to click the notification bell to be notified of future uploads. Until next time, it is peace from me. Bye.